Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how you can meet AI Google mode in the Google app. The Google app now includes a dedicated AI mode, giving you access to Google's enhanced AI features directly inside the app. Please note, this is only subject to availability in your region. So it provides a smarter summaries, visual answers, interactive explanations, and AI-powered suggestions. So let me show you how to get this. So first, go ahead and open up your Play Store. Go ahead and search for Google. And here you want to go ahead and make sure this has been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open it. Now here in your main page, you'll see AI mode. So if you go ahead and tap on this, here you can go ahead and ask anything you like. So these are all the suggestions which you can ask. How does Elden Ring, Night Reigns, DLC reignite interest? There's many other questions you can ask. You can go ahead and ask your question. When is the next solar eclipse? So as you can see, it's telling you when is the next solar eclipse, and you can go ahead and read all about this. So you get more accurate and visual answers to your queries. You can use AI tools without installing extra apps. It helps with planning, research, recipes, travel info, and more. This saves time by summarizing long articles or pages, and it integrates smoothly with other Google devices or services. So there you go, guys. That is how you can meet AI Google mode in the Google app on your Samsung Galaxy device.